Up for sale today, we got a real 1968 427 400 horse tri-power, the L68, restored for NCRS standards. We have all the titles going back to new, tank sticker, build sheet, books, lots of other documents. Number matching 427. Original red, 4-speed, convertible. We got it all. Red lines, the rally wheels. Like I said, it was restored for the NCRS judging. So, I mean, drop a like rating for that. Subscribe. I'll show you the car as I go. The chrome is excellent. The paint, I would say it's very, very close to being perfect. There are a couple little marks. I will point them out. There's a little thing there. There's another little thing there. And that's it. Other than that, oh, and a little thing right there. Other than that, there's not another mark on the car. Not a scratch, not a crack, not a chip. The paint is deep, beautiful, the real 427 hood. I'll open it up. This car's got it all, and all number matching all the way around. A real 1968 convertible 427 tri-power, 400 horsepower, 4-speed, red. Like I said already, you heard it all. It's got it all. The interior is near excellent, or excellent, I should say. Leather interior too. The 4-speed, the nice dash, the red carpet. The white top that is crisp. It'll be for sale soon. I'll let you know when we put it up there. Keep an eye on my page. Again, the website's coming soon. Again, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out. I really appreciate it. The real 68 buttons that open the car, they only had that in 68. The undercarriage, as you've seen, or if you go look at the ad in the pictures, is excellent. Nice black, detailed, long time in a collection. Not driven a lot, maintained, cherished, documented, all the way around. Like I said, it'll be for sale soon. Subscribe, drop a like if you like the car. We'll show you the driving video now. Thank you. Alright, 427, 400 horsepower, the tri-power, number match. Oh, is it a monster? Ooh. All the shielding. Hey.
Hello, gentlemen. What we have here is a 68 documented 427 tri-power. It had a recent frame-off restoration to NCRS standards by the previous owner, and probably 1,000 miles since it was all done 5, 6, 7 years ago. We've got the titles going back to when it was new, along with the build sheet to verify everything. All the numbers do match. So it's a great investment car, and it's a great car for any collection. Runs and drives like it should. Stops and steers and shifts. Real nice. It was sold new in Illinois, and now it found its way back home. I think it was sold at the Muscle Car Chevrolet Z Frank Chevy. We have the paperwork on that. So, hope you enjoyed our little ride in here. I didn't want to push it. Yeah. Policeman up in front of me, so I better slow her down.
And we don't have a license plate on, so
no, we got plates.
Oh, we do have plates. You're right.
Oh, yeah.
Expired in 2000. Not that anybody.
Oh, yeah.
Not that the policeman can't hear us.
There's your scrapping.
Oh, there's my guy. All right. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks.
Subscribe. Hope you liked it.